The JWT create function creates a JSON Web Token, which is used to transmit data securely between two parties as a JSON object. Header is a JSON string that defines the JWT header. Payload is a JSON string containing the data to be encoded in the token. Secret is a key pair used to sign the token. Password is a password that protects the secret. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am creating a secure JSON Web Token using specific details. First, I define the header, which uses the HS256 algorithm and is of type JWT. The header is stored in a string variable S header. I then load the JSON document into a string variable S payload containing the fields address, user, and port. Then I specify a secret key and store it in a string variable S secret. Lastly, I add a password to make the token even more secure and store it in a string variable S password. The JWT create function generates the signed JWT using all this information and stores the token in a string variable SJWT. Finally, I export the token into a file named jwt.txt. Let's run the process and then view the file. After executing the process, the file will look like this.